Okay, my friends, welcome to this video. My name's Chris from the School of Embodiment, and today from the vineyard I am going to give you a couple of things to do if you feel awful, if you just don't feel very good at all. In fact, I'm going to give you 3 things to do. The first one to try is to get out into nature, to just be in nature, to leave your phone behind, to leave everything behind, because we're so used. If we feel shit, say we haven't had a good night's sleep. I didn't have a good night's sleep last night, which is why I'm talking about this. If we haven't had a good night's sleep, and we feel awful, we've got emotions moving through, anxiety moving through, panic, worries, whatever. The natural thing that most people do these days is to scroll through their phones. And scrolling through your phone, although it can bring a temporary distraction to your pain, it won't bring healing and it won't bring true relief. So instead of going on your phone, just pluck up a little bit of let's do this, and come out into nature and see how you feel when you're in nature. So that's all I'm going to say on that. I made another video previously about the benefits of nature. So I'm going to give you another 2 things to try if you're feeling awful. So number 1 is, instead of trying to fix it, instead of trying to change your experience in any way, can you notice something here right now which is still? Can you notice something here right now which is quiet? There might be all sorts of things going on inside. There might be all sorts of feelings and thoughts, feelings of not feeling good, feelings of feeling bad. But without trying to change any of that, because if you try and change all of that, then you might actually make it worse. So instead of trying to change any of that, can you just feel right here something which is already at peace? Without you trying to create peace, can you sense that there's a subtle quality of peace which is already here? Because peace is your true nature. The true nature of mind, the space of your mind, is always at peace. Now, on top of that space, there are emotional, psychological reactions, which are loud and which don't feel peaceful. But those reactions are happening upon a field or a quality of peace. Now, if there's strong reactions and you feel awful, then likelihood is you won't feel that peace very much, but you might be able to feel it just a little bit. There might be this quiet sense of something which is okay, quietly okay. Now, if you can sense that little space of okayness, that little smile inside, that little place of stillness inside, however you can feel it, if you can sense that, just give your attention to it. Let yourself drop into it. Let yourself come into it. And let that quiet grow inside your heart. So that's one thing you can try if you feel awful. And I'm going to give you another one. So the other thing you can try is a little bit more of a somatic approach. And that is to hug yourself with your own attention. Now, if we haven't slept, if we feel awful, if we've got depression and all sorts of stuff going on, fear, then likely there's a strong contraction in the nervous system. And that strong contraction in the nervous system is likely throwing you into a mind pattern which doesn't feel that good. So if you notice that, the contraction in the nervous system and the mind pattern, then again, don't try and change it. But all you're going to do is hug your body, hug your nervous system with your awareness. Feel, firstly, every cell within your hands. And when I say that, you may notice that your hands become a little bit more alive, a little bit more vivid within your awareness. Even if it's subtle, when you place attention in your hands, when I mention your hands may become more alive. Feel them from within. Don't think about them. Place attention in them. Feel them. You don't have to move them. You don't have to look at them. Just place attention in them. And now feel your arms. Feel your arms. Feel your feet. Feel your legs. Feel your belly. Feel your chest. Feel your throat. Feel your jaw. Feel your face. Feel your head. Fill your entire body with your attention. And in doing this, in allowing every cell within your body to light up within your awareness, you come away, even if it's just a bit, from the thinking mind, which may be driving you crazy. And now, placing one hand on your heart if you feel to, and one hand on your belly, you feel into any tension that may be within the nervous system. Again, when you feel awful, the nervous system tightens down. The body tightens down. You may feel contractions in certain areas of the body, or you may feel a whole nervous system holding. Whatever you feel, whether it's subtle tensions or a whole nervous system holding, you just fill that with the same attention that you placed within your hands, feet, legs, arms. And you fill your entire body with your attention. Especially including the areas that do not feel good. Because it's the areas that are tense, it's the areas that are tight, it's the areas that feel dense and not good, which are actually pushing you into suffering in the mind. It's these areas of density which are creating the negative thoughts which are keeping you caught in suffering. So bring attention in to those areas, and those negative thoughts soften. And you stay in your body. You fill your body. I call this hugging yourself with your own attention. And for years, when I was suffering immensely, every morning when I woke up, you know when you wake up in the morning and it's like when you're really suffering and you wake up and you're like, oh shit, the day. Fuck this, the day. No. Or when you wake up and that feeling starts coming in, then instead of going into the mind, instead of going on your phone, instead of distracting, just hug yourself with your own attention. Feel every cell within your body, including the cells where there is tension, including the cells where there is emotion. Fill yourself, fill yourself, fill yourself, and be there for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour if you feel to, and let yourself get intimate with the energies and the emotions within your body, within your nervous system. And see how when you do that, the mind settles and presence begins to shine. Thank you.